Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the Thermometer Worksheets. So this video presents a few slides just to give us some exercises on the thermometer to help us better understand the idea of positive and negative numbers. First question, what is the freezing point of water in degrees Celsius? What is the temperature if it is 9 degrees Celsius above the freezing point of water? What is the temperature if it is 8 degrees Celsius below the freezing point of water? If the current temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, what temperature is 5 degrees Celsius above this temperature? If the current temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, what temperature is 7 degrees Celsius below this temperature? If the current temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius, what temperature is 9 degrees Celsius above this temperature? If the current temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius, what temperature is 12 degrees Celsius below this temperature? What is the difference in temperature between 2 degrees Celsius and 13 degrees Celsius? What is the difference between 5 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius? What is the difference between minus 5 degrees Celsius and minus 20 degrees Celsius? If the temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, how many degrees does the temperature need to drop to reach the freezing point of water? If the temperature is minus 17 degrees Celsius, how many degrees does the temperature need to rise to reach the freezing point of water? What is the higher temperature, minus 3 degrees Celsius or minus 9 degrees Celsius? What is the lower temperature, minus 6 degrees Celsius or minus 15 degrees Celsius? What temperature is 7 degrees Celsius hotter than minus 20 degrees Celsius? What temperature is 9 degrees Celsius colder than minus 24 degrees Celsius? So this video has presented two slides which has given us a host of questions to help us with the understanding of positive and negative numbers, and we've also seen the idea of difference between any two numbers on the thermometer, and we do it the same way as we would on a number line.